Hello and welcome back to another video on my YouTube. Today we're going to be solving for x when we already know that x power of log 2 plus x power of log 7 is equal to 9. So where do we start? We need to start by manipulating some log values. So if you didn't know already this rule, that x to the power of log 2 can also be written as 2 to the power of log x. And if you weren't already familiar, I'll just explain it to you quickly. So let's say a to the power of log b is equal to b to the power of log a, as I did with the x and the 2. What we're going to do is set y as a to the power of log b and z as b to the power of log a. And now we're going to log both sides. So if we take log y is equal to log of a to the power of log b and log z as log of b to the power of log a. And using this rule here, we can essentially bring down the powers on both occasions, whether that's the log b or v log a. And so log y is log b times log a, whilst log z is log a times log b. And because multiplication is commutative, log y and log z are essentially the same thing. So we can set them equal to each other. If log y and log z are equal, that means that y and z will also have to be equal. But what was y and z from earlier on? Y was a log to the power of log b and z was b to the power of log a. And so when we have x to the power of log 2, it can also be written as 2 to the power of log x. And so for simplicity, we'll equate log x to m. So now we have 2 to the power of m plus 7 to the power of m is equal to 9. But it's quite obvious what m is, right? M has to be 1 because 2 plus 7 is 9. And because log x is equal to m, we can equate log x to 1. If you didn't know how logs worked already, anything with this log sign will always have a base of 10 unless specified otherwise. So we have log base 10 of x is equal to 1. But when we have logs, we can apply this rule. When we have a base and the thing we're logging and the result, we can write the base to the power of result is equal to b, and b is the thing that we are logging. And in this case, it is x, and that's entirely necessary because we are solving for x. So when we use this, a is 10, c is 1, and b is x. And so x is simply 10 to the power of 1, and this is 10. And that's the answer to the question. So thank you for watching this video today. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.